Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this presentation, you will learn on how to open the business of cyber cafe and documentation center. What are the important steps that needs to be followed for setting up cyber cafe and documentation center? To set up cyber cafe, some of the important steps required by the entrepreneur are highlighted below. The first important step is to prepare the business project plan. For starting up the business, the first important step that is required is the preparation of the business plan. The business plan is a document that guides you when you set up a new business venture. Right from the objective and the scope of the business, major equipments required, arrangement of funds, arrangement of raw material, the sources of supply, etc. all are covered in the business project plan. This is basically a planning activity which is done in the initial phase. A business plan helps the entrepreneur in arranging resources required as per the need of the new business. When the business plan for Cyber Cafe and Documentation Center is prepared, it gives you clarity and also highlights the key challenges that you may face in future while setting up the business. This plan also helps the entrepreneur to convince the financing organization, and hence it facilitates the raising of capital required for any business. So the business plan is basically a techno-commercial document which is prepared to assist the entrepreneur in almost all the areas of the business, be it raw material arrangement, be it technical details, be it marketing, be it arrangement of funds, etc. The next important point is selection of location for the cyber cafe and documentation center. The place or the location where the entrepreneur plans to set up the cyber cafe and documentation center is very important. In this business, if one wants to earn higher profits, then the locations near to schools, colleges are highly advantageous. A busy market area with parking is also best suited for this business. It is better to conduct a survey of the nearby area before selecting a final location. It is to be remembered that a bad location of this business can hamper the profitability of the business. The next important step is to purchase computer hardware and set up the computing resources in the cyber cafe and documentation center. The purchasing and setting up of the computers and other equipment is done according to the planned layout. This is very focused activity. Along with the setting of computers, a complete interior environment is to be created. In any cyber cafe, the internal environment matters a lot. The interior aspects such as design, number of computer seats, services envisaged, placement of computing equipment, ease in movement of the customer, etc. are considered important. The next phase is to purchase the computer hardware and other accessories for the cyber cafe and documentation center as per the bill of material created during the business planning phase. The computer network is also required to be created so that the internet can be accessed on all the computers placed inside the cyber cafe. The computer network is created for facilitating the internet access on all computers. For computer hardware installation and local networking, the owner can hire the services of the vendors. The next step is to set up the internet connection. Procuring the high-speed internet connection for the cyber cafe is very important. There are governmental agencies and private internet service providers that gives you internet connection. Depending upon the availability of the ISP and the quality of service in your area, the ISP, that is the internet service provider, can be selected. The other must-have computing resources such as server software, internet timer or scheduling software, scanner, printer, photocopy machine, documentation equipment can be set up and shared between the computer systems of the internet cafe. After establishing the required infrastructure of the cyber cafe and documentation center, you can determine and fix the service charges for the customers. Increasing the service offerings of the cafe by introducing educational services, that is computer learning, English speaking, tutorial services, distance learning services, e-governance services, travel services, utility services, bill payments, etc. You can increase the cafe walk-ins and increase your revenues per system, per computer system. This will also benefit the PC utilization of your cyber cafe. The service charges depends upon your initial investment cost, cyber cafe running cost, profits, and other salient features or services offered by the cyber cafe and the documentation center. The best way to make your business successful is to deliver value to your customers while reducing your operating cost, which would increase your profitability potential. By focusing on the needs of your customers and consistently meeting their expectations, you can ensure that your customers choose to return to you again and again. In this presentation, we have covered some of the important points for setting up cyber cafe and documentation center business. Thank you.